Hundreds of new digital products are launched every single day, but most of them fail. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons and 5 common mistakes that people are making which lead to failed digital product launches. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, there are numerous amounts of digital products that are launched every single day. However, a lot of them fail. In fact, the first digital product that I launched ultimately failed. However, I learned from the common mistakes that I and many other people make to have subsequent successful launches. So in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 common mistakes that you probably have made if you thought about launching a digital product. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into mistake number 1. Mistake number 1 is trying to create the perfect product. Now, I think this is a huge mistake because people will spend so much time in the learning phase and not enough time in the doing phase. Now, I'm going to give you a quick heads up. There's no such thing as a perfect product on your first iteration. What you should do, and what I ultimately did, is you should create the product, launch it into the world, and plan on making improvements over time. If you are spending so much time where you're not moving forward on your digital product, you're wasting a lot of time. You want to get that product into your customers' hands and give them feedback. The feedback that you get from your customer is going to be much more valuable than what you're thinking. They might be thinking about it in a completely different way than what you envisioned it. So I would recommend that you don't spend so much time in the learning phase. Have a plan that you are going to have multiple iterations. So version 1 can be a minimum viable product. It's going to help someone solve a problem. Version 2, 3, 4, 5, version 98 is going to simply improve upon what you've already created in the previous versions. But the biggest mistake, which leads to not creating a digital product, which leads to having this huge digital product that no one really asked for, is overthinking, spending a lot of time trying to create the perfect digital product. If you can just get something out into the internet, get something out to the marketplace, that's much better than creating something that you deem to be perfect. So that is mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is simply not having a sales funnel. Now, as I've mentioned in previous videos, a sales funnel is going to be critically important to your success. And the sales funnel isn't just once someone buys. The sales funnel really starts with your content. You are going to create content that speaks to your target audience and any problems that they have, and then you are going to funnel them to your landing page where you collect their name and their email, and then that's when you're going to sell to them afterwards. So many people start a digital product and they never build a lead magnet to help solve an initial problem. For whatever reason, and unfortunately I made this mistake too, I just naturally assumed that people were going to buy my product just because I made it. What you should be doing is you should think, okay, what is the overall problem that I'm trying to solve? And then what is a small piece that I can pull out and turn that into a lead magnet and give that away to my prospective customers? Having a lead magnet and collecting emails is going to allow you to earn as much as 85% more money than what you would normally buy. And simply because most people don't buy right away. Most people need to see the product multiple times. Most people need to see and hear from you multiple times before they know, like, and trust you enough before they pull their wallets out or their purses out. So in my opinion, it is critically important to your success. If you want to have a 5-figure launch, you want to build out an entire sales funnel. You create content that speaks to their problems, their pain points, what they're suffering through, what they're trying to run away from. You funnel them to your landing page. On that landing page, you have yet more information about helping them solve a problem for free with a lead magnet. After that, you are going to capture their name and their email onto a email marketing software, and then you're going to send out emails continuously to their email address, simply reiterating how you can help solve their problem. And then inside that email, you're going to funnel them back up to that sales page, and eventually you'll start getting buyers. So having a sales funnel is incredibly important to your success. I know a lot of people are going to say, I don't need a sales funnel. And that's fine. You don't have to have a sales funnel if you are okay with missing out on up to 85% of your income. Number 3 is overcomplicating the process in the beginning. Now, kind of like problem number 1, where you're trying to be perfect, I think step 3 catches a lot of people. A lot of people say, hey, I'm not good with tech, therefore I can't create a digital product. But in reality, your first digital product can be delivered with a Google Doc. Your first digital product can be delivered with a Google Drive. In fact, I have purchased digital products where they created a video course, and the video course was just a series of videos inside of a Google Drive folder. Now, the only thing that ultimately mattered was the information that I got from the course, which was good enough to help me move forward. But in the beginning, if you don't have a lot of money, if you don't have a lot of time, do what's called the minimum viable product. Get your workbook, get your worksheet, get whatever it is, your video course, put it in Google Drive, Google Docs, because it's free. And then as you start making money, you can reinvest in your business. Eventually you can use something like Kajabi. Eventually you can reinvest into something like ClickFunnels or GetResponse, but don't overcomplicate the process in the very beginning. Think about what the customer wants, how you can deliver it, and then deliver it to them as simply as possible so that you can solve a problem and start making money in the front door. Big problem, people overcomplicate it. They think they don't have the tech skills required. If you can get on the internet, if you can watch this video, you basically have all the skills that you need to launch a successful digital product. Number 4, not solving a problem to create a sense of urgency. Now, the interesting thing with digital products is really it's just something that is helping someone solve a problem. What you have to do, and this can be done more on the front end with your content creation, is you have to talk to someone's pain points in order for them to say, I need to get this product and I need to get this product now. If you are not creating that sense of urgency, if you are not making people feel compelled to pull their wallet out, to pull their purse out, they are not going to buy from you. And you create that sense of urgency through your content, through your lead magnet, through your sales page, and your order form. So your entire process should be building up on that sense of urgency. You should be making them say, I need to get this product because I have a pain point. For example, if you are creating a digital product to help someone's dog stop peeing, you need to talk about the common problems that a dog lover or a dog owner might experience because their dog keeps peeing in the house. And you talk about that through the entire process, you are building on that sense of urgency and you are going to increase the chances of buying. I've seen a lot of content creators out there that do not build on that sense of urgency. If you are not building on that sense of urgency, people are going to say, I can take it or leave it. I can get it later. It's not that big of a deal. And if it's not that big of a deal, people just aren't going to buy. So what you need to be doing through the entire buying process, starting with their content, is building a sense of urgency. Whenever you buy something, there's that sense of urgency that you need to have it. You need to have it because it's going to solve a problem immediately, and you need to be doing that. You need to be building that up for other people. The 5th mistake a lot of people are making is not building in order bumps, upsells, downsells, and affiliate opportunities in the back end. Now, the reason why I think this is a mistake is you are missing out on hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on the back end. Starting with your order bump. Your order bump is something that your target audience can use to help them with the digital product, to help them solve their problem much faster. Include an order bump. That's going to increase what's called the average cart value. So if you're selling something for $7, include an order bump for $17. And just like that, your orders can go from $7 to $24. Now, again, not everybody's going to take the order bump. The next issue is people aren't building in upsells. An upsell, again, is going to be something that helps them achieve their result faster. For example, let's say we are creating content or we're selling a digital product in which we are helping homeowners to get their dogs to stop peeing. We give them an additional product, maybe a workbook to work through. The next thing that we should offer may be a video course. A video course is going to be much easier for them to consume. They're going to be able to achieve the result quicker and they can make more money. The purpose of the upsell is simply to help them achieve the result faster or to help them think of the next issue. Maybe the first product that you create helps the homeowner to get their dog to stop peeing. The next thing could be to help the homeowner to get their dog to stop chewing on shoes or cardboard. That is the perfect upsell. And then the final thing is you want to make sure you have a downsell, because not everybody's going to want to spend another $47, but they might be more comfortable spending $27 for that same product. And then of course, I'm an affiliate marketer at heart. I always think about different affiliate marketing opportunities that I can include in my digital products. Now, I like to include affiliate opportunities all throughout my buying process. I'll include affiliate opportunities on the lead magnet. I'll include affiliate opportunities on any workbooks that I create. And then of course, affiliate opportunities on any upsells or downsells. The great thing with affiliate marketing is it allows you to increase the amount of money that you make. It will allow you to benefit from the relationship and the trust that you built. And again, like I said, it'll help you make more money. So the 5 biggest factors I feel are this: trying to create the perfect product, not having a sales funnel, overcomplicating the process, not solving a problem to create urgency, and not thinking about the upsells, downsells, and affiliate opportunities. Guys, let me know what you think. Have you made any of these mistakes when you created your first digital product? Let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. Now that you've seen the 5 common mistakes that most people are making, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.